Samsung, however, apparently not going to fit the S Pen into the Z Fold 3. That was a rumor. That this will be their substitute for having gotten rid of the Note lineup.
Yep.
There was a lot of back and forth on the Note thing. We're not going to do the Note anymore, rumors. What are you talking about? We're doing the Note. We are the Note. Second report. Third report. Yeah, we're not going to do that. Nope. You guys were right the first time around. Anyway, so apparently, well, at the time, the rumor was, well, you don't do that because that's a really premium product and you want to sell the folding one. But how do you take care of the pen people? Well, let's do a folding one with a pen. And now here, new reports, maybe not. Maybe no pen slot. Maybe pen input, but maybe no slot for the pen to keep it. You mean, I don't know what you do. You slap it. Are we going to do magnets again? Or are we just carrying separately? I don't know what we're doing. I was already skeptical because I'm like, I felt this screen before. And it's a little bit soft on previous versions. Are they going to be able to sort that out? Next version, does it have a more slick feel?
Oh, you're worried that a pen may damage the screen.
Well, this had this unusual, and of course it's well documented, people peeling the screen, well documented stuff, but had this softer finish on the outside. I would describe as a type of finish that would show a fingernail. If you were to touch it with a fingernail, you could maybe see the indent over there. Now,
and it can't recover. Like, will it become smooth again, or
talking about self-healing?
Yeah,
maybe a little bit.
A little bit.
Maybe a little bit.
What's the crazy trick for that? Toothpaste?
Do not. No toothpaste.
I'm telling you, put toothpaste on the scratches.
What you're talking about, once upon a time, the toothpaste thing was around those early iPods that were chrome plated.
Oh.
And so it would, the abrasiveness would be able to move some of those micro scratches, but then replace it with like this. It never looked how it looked originally.
Yeah.
So, but don't, disclaimer, don't put toothpaste on your new Fold, no matter what Kirk tells you.
Hey man, is it good enough for your teeth? It's good enough for your folds. Just telling you that.
Anyway, so I don't know where's this report from? Let's see. Samsung's taking a big bet on the foldable. Yeah, we know. Support the S Pen. Technical challenges may make S Pen slot impossible on the Z Fold. Initially intended to make room for the stylus, but it is now reconsidering the idea for two reasons. The device doesn't have enough space for a stylus compartment, and second, a stylus could expose it to water and dust damage. It's already, people think of it as being a fairly fragile device comparative to some of the more slabby slabs. Anyway, we'll have to wait and see. It is just a report, just a rumor like so many things, but what do you guys say? If you had to bet on it, Z Fold 3, pen slot or no pen slot?
No.
I'm going to say, I don't know the likelihood of it, but I would like that because I have a little Remarkable tablet that I use quite often, and it's a magnet pen situation, much like the iPad. And that thing's flapping off all the time, and I'm chasing it around. It's terrible.
It's just running around the house.
I'm pro pen slot. Yeah, I'd like to see it.
They need to work on the screen first, I would say.
Really do want self-healing. Maybe you can drop a design for them.
I will. Yeah.
The winning design.